Okay, so I have three tables here. First is your order table, orders table. Second is your order details table, and third is your product table. So now we are going to see how to join three tables in MySQL. So first is I want the column names like order number. I want order number. Then I want order date, and then I want the order line number. So order number and order date can be picked from the orders table, and to get the order line number I have to refer to the second table, that is orders detail, and that order line number is coming from the order details table, order line number. And I want the product name. So what is the product name for this order line number? Suppose if it is 1, what is the product code? The product code is this. But to see the details about the product code, we need to go to the product table. So if you go to the product table, here we have a product code. So by looking at the product code, you can get a product name. So we have to join orders table with order details and order details with the product table. Now I want a product name. Once you pull out the product name, I want to know what is the quantity ordered. Quantity ordered. So how to get a quantity ordered? Then you have to refer again the order details table. Here you get a quantity ordered, as well as I want the price of each product. So what is the price of that each product? So how to get the price of each? So that is again referring to the order details table. Then you can order by, I want to order that all the columns, order by the order line number. Order line number. Yeah. So here we have three tables. So just think for a minute and then we'll proceed. So what is the requirement? We need these all columns from these three tables. So I'll be using first select from, I'll be using the orders table, and then I'm going to use the inner join with the order details table, on the join condition between the orders table and the order details table is your matching column, that is order number. So I'll call this table as a T1 table and this as a T2 table. So I'm going to match the order number, that is from T1 table, order number equal to T2 dot order number. Then I'm going to use a inner join again, to join the third table, that is my product table. The name of the table is products. I'll call it as a T3 table on. So what is the matching column between these two? So if you look at the order details table, that is having the product code, that is matching with the third table product code. So T2 dot product code is equal to T3 dot product code. Okay, let us see about order by later on. Now let me fetch the column names. So I want the order number first. Order number from, you can take from T1 table dot, then I want the order date from the same table, T1 dot order date, comma, order line number comes from the second table, so T2 dot order line number, comma, product name comes from the third table, that is T3 table, T3 dot product name. So I'm getting a suggestions here, let me use it quickly. Now quantity ordered, that is T2 dot quantity ordered, comma, then T2 dot price each. So that is sufficient, or you can use in the next line, you can use it all in the next line. Yeah, so from the inner join, now let me execute these all. Yeah, so it was a spelling mistake here. Now you can see the output. So order number, order date, order line number, product name, quantity ordered, and price each. Suppose I want to order that by order line number, I can click here obviously, but I'll be using on the using a order by clause. Order by, I will be taking the order line number. Let me use a tab and run this. So these are all related to order line number, and then order number, your product, and the details about that. Let me just scroll it. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 and so on. So if you want to have the order of the line number and the order number in the same way, like order number for line order line number is 100 and 10 and 100, so you can do it in this way. So first you need to order by order number, and then you order it by the line order number. Let me put a comma here. Now execute this. Now you can see the output. So first you will get order line number 1 2 3 4. In the same way, order number will be 10 100 10 100 10 100 4 5 times and so on. So you can see this order line number. We are ordering it by first order number and then order line number. So this is how we can do use a join in three tables.